Okay guys, hotel review time. This hotel is called Cookie Hotel and everything is pink. It's located on White Sand Beach in Chang. And as you can see, it's a very old room. This hotel has two buildings. They have a lot of rooms. But the room I got, unfortunately, was very old. Everything there worked, but it was just old and well used. I paid 1,500 baht per night here. That included breakfast. Breakfast was pretty terrible, let me tell you. It has a 7.8 out of 10 rating on Agoda, and that's being a little bit generous. I'm sure the rooms across the road are a bit nicer. Definitely have a better view. Parking is an issue here. They have very little parking, and it's right on the road. We'll show the road in a minute. And that road is always busy, very little parking on the road as well. I managed to get parking both nights I was there, but it wasn't easy. There's more than 1,000 reviews on this place, so it's been reviewed a lot. There's the road. There's the parking. Yeah, no extra space, that's for sure. And that's the other building, and that's where check-in is, across the road. I'll leave a link to Agoda in the video description if you want to check this place out and see some of the pictures. That looks much better than the actual room that I stayed in. This is the main road that goes around the island, or just about around. I don't think it goes all the way around the island, but a busy road, that's for sure, at times, depending on if it's a holiday or a weekend. Can get really busy. Here's the pool and the other building. The pool's nice, and it's right on the beach. And this is the pictures you see online. So maybe in these rooms it'd be a lot better. The room I was in on the other side of the road, I wouldn't want to stay there again, I know that. And there's White Sand Beach, beautiful beach, really long, and lots going on there at night. This is in the morning. It's really nice. A little windy on that day, but this is a nice beach. But I wouldn't stay on White Sand Beach again. It's a good place to visit, but I wouldn't stay here anymore. I've stayed at a few different hotels along this beach. A good place to visit, but there's lots of other places on the island to stay. So getting to the $1 million question, would I stay here again? No, the hotel was only okay. The breakfast was terrible, absolutely terrible. And they play a trick here with the hotel where they put a do not disturb sign on your door before you check in. And if you don't remember to take it off, the next day the maid just ignores your room. And that's what happened to me. And I thought it was quite funny when I came back. There was people complaining all over the place. And I didn't know why until I got to my door and there was 2 bottles of water sitting beside the door. I opened the door and the room hadn't been touched, and that's when I first noticed the sign. Like, that's a pretty dirty, nasty trick, but just think how many rooms they didn't have to clean that day. Here's breakfast. Everything was cold, and the best thing there was the hard-boiled egg. A typical Thailand hotel breakfast on the bottom end of the hotels, but yeah, not good. You can get much better food for a much better price than paying for it at the hotel. That egg looks like it was cooked for about 2 hours. Like I said, I'll leave the link to Agoda in the video description. There's a lot of good hotels on this island, some very, very nice ones. I've done reviews on quite a few of them over the years. This one is just okay. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. This is my review based on when I was there and nothing else. Breakfast kind of really sucked. But I thought the maid trick was pretty smart. Saved them a lot of work that day, that's for sure. And I'm sure they do it every day. Want some cold ham to go with your cold rice? It wasn't very good, let me tell you.